Ah, so good to be out. Can you hear that beautiful bird song in the background? Don't know if you can hear it over the roar of the water. I can barely hear it. But I just saw some dippers down looking for chow on the submerged rocks down here. I always know when it's been a bit too long since I've been out in the flow, in the wild, with how long it takes me to really pull back in and breathe. Taking a breath of relaxation, of relief, of really getting into my feet, getting into my body. When, as I'm starting my hike or starting my sitting practice or whatever, it takes me several minutes of the brain to quiet with, let's see, my keys, yeah, they're in the zipper pocket. Okay, good. Yeah, okay. Did I put the, yes, I put the parking pass on the rear view mirror. Check. Okay, slow the mind. Take out the worry. We're here now. Connect with the mother. Connect up with Father Sky. Breathe it in. Can drop the fear, can drop the worry, and begin. I have to say this is one of my very favorite things of everything, and that are these sweet licorice ferns that grow in the heavy moss on either dead or dying branches or trunks. Yes, it does taste like licorice. Of course, don't eat anything unless you absolutely positively know what you're eating or have somebody with you to help identify. This wasn't necessarily a spontaneous visit out to one of my favorite spots, but I did have it in my brain hopper to come here today and to get some video, do some singing, just get on the trail, move among these beautiful trees, be quiet. Let's take some time to be quiet, sit still and reflect. Let's take this time to be quiet, sit still and reflect. I have that chantra recorded in another video here on the YouTube channel, so check it out. It's a great one, though, to just really bring yourself into center and know I'm not sitting yet. I actually need to move out some energy and just be here, connecting up. So love this place. Eagle Fern Park. I did a really smart thing several months ago, and that was I bought a parks pass that allows me to park in any of the Clackamas County parks here in my area. With the pass, you pay one pass price I got a 2-year pass, and then you have it for that entire period. Remember to put it on your rearview mirror and hang it so that you don't get busted for not paying your fee. Oh, look at this. So lovely. Look at this ginormous sword fern. One happy camper. I love this park because of its accessibility even for chairs and those with limited mobility, and for the interpretive information. Plus it's got running water. Yahoo! And some great trails. So beautiful. So I think it's time for me to get quiet. But I wanted to show you this beautiful spot and a nice kind of clearing sky to the west. No rain today. It's cold, but no rain, and perfect time to be out. Beautiful, like an example. Get outside, friends. Connect with the mother. Connect with yourself. Connect with spirit. Connect with the plant tribe and the tree people. Blessings wherever you are.